In this video, we're going to discuss the Market Analytics Map Layers category. This layer helps you become familiar with the market dynamics of any region. Our sold versus list layer helps you understand in which areas the homes sell for over the asking price, ones that sell for right around the asking list price, and locations that sell under. The days on market layer gives you insight into how long homes typically take to sell in any given region. This is very important when transacting in a hot area and you need to prove to your buyer that there is urgency. Also very helpful to set expectations with your sellers on how long their home will take to sell. Our ownership time layer shows you how long the current owner of each property has owned their home. Our owner-occupied layer lets you identify which homes are owner-occupied and which are not. This is useful for many reasons, with the most popular being able to identify which homes are not owner-occupied and which can be farmed or identified as leads to reach out to. The last sale price and last sale price per square foot layers give you a quick snapshot into the market sale price and market price per square foot dynamics of any region. The turnover layer allows you to identify areas with a higher turnover versus ones with a lower number. This is important for a number of reasons, most popular being the identification of a farm location. I personally like to understand how many homes are expected to come to market in any given neighborhood. If your buyer misses out on one, will there be another one, two, or three, or more coming in the coming months or remainder of the year? Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the rest of the TopHap Academy training videos and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news and product updates.